Hello, let me show you all the sound settings that you can find on the Redmi 14C. So take a look. First of all, we can find here the volume adjustment from media, ringtone and alarm. Also, we can find this ringtones that you can actually change, and once you open it you can set the default one, the custom one, or for example download something from the store. It looks the same for the calendar and for the notification sound. Right here we can find the silent mode. We can also silence media in the silent mode. And there's also the do not disturb mode. You can customize it. There's a lot of different options that you can use. In this place we can find vibrations like for calls in the silent mode, or for example while tapping on the screen. In the sound effects we can actually find the Xiaomi sound. There's also the graphic equalizer with some presets. We can use the headphone remote buttons to control volume, control music playback, and we can even assign buttons when we connect headphones. In the additional settings, we can find control notification sound. We can adjust media sound in multiple apps. We can adjust multiple audio sources. And here we can find other sounds like the Dialpad, tap sound, locking sound, screenshot, uninstalling apps, deleting items, or connecting to charger. That's all. Thanks for watching.